prepare the vegetable, you should cut all the unnecessary. Like that. Then, hinanagan na ito yung okra. Then, ito yun, sili. Then, the squash. You should remove all the, what is this?
Peelings.
The?
Peelings.
The peelings. It takes time to remove the peel.
Pero tayo sa bagawan niya. Naganaganap ka.
And if you remove all the peelings, you put there in the water so that you will wash. O, bigyan mo ako ng panam. Then you put here. Then you cut into regular size like that. You prepare it nice and clean. Gusto mo lang yung gusto. You should also cut into regular piece. Like that. It's easy. Then, the eggplant. Ready to cook. And you give me like this, casserole. Awanin ko lumabas.
Next, the fish.
Then the fish, before you prepare to cook, you should cut you should remove the, what's this? The skin. No, this is not the skin. The scales. Then remove the, what's this? The under the, what's this? The intestine of the fish. Oh, yes. Remove all those. Then, iwas. Then, after all those, you cut into 3 pieces and ready to